we're coming through Artesia. I'm not quite sure if that's a built-up place or not, but let's have a look what Artesia is like. The road's 20 or 30 k's out of Gabs, went down to single lane, and you know what I got in front here is pretty much what it's been for the last 50 k's or so. Single lane, nice wide grass verges, cows every now and again. Roads in good condition, no potholes. There's repaired potholes, but roads in lovely condition. This must be Artesia. I guess. And I guess we finished with Artesia. Next stop, I'm not sure. Bike's running beautifully. Done 78 k's since I filled up the Shell garage. She sits at 4,000 revs, sort of bang on 100 k's an hour. So I'm going a bit faster than I did on the South African trip. I was a bit more anxious. The roads weren't as good. Rain, blah blah. I was going 80, 90. Where here she sits very solidly, 4,000 revs, top gear, 100 k's an hour. The temperature gauge is right on cold. Beautiful day for riding. Praise the Lord again. Just a nice thick cloud cover. It doesn't look like it rained recently at all. There was rain last night in Gabs. Yesterday afternoon, evening. But absolutely beautiful riding weather again.